Alright, so I'm making this video because I have a 2003 Honda Civic and it's making like a weird rattling noise. If you check your catalytic converter, which this one is too good. I swapped it for, I guess you can say this is just the manifold by itself without the catalytic converter. What was happening was it was making a weird rattling noise. Like when I hit like 3,000 RPMs, or well, it was actually like 3,000 in the notch above it. I'll say like 3,100 or something like that. It will start making a rattling noise. You can hear it more inside the engine. I mean, inside the car than you could outside, because you know a lot of components, a lot of other things is going on, and it's really loud. So I thought maybe maybe it was the timing belt. Wasn't the timing belt because I changed the timing belt. I thought maybe it's the intake. Let me check the intake. Intake's fine, even though this is not the right intake for the car, but that wasn't the issue. The culprit, which is really some bullshit, but the culprit was this fucking little bitch ass oil pan cover. I mean, transmission cover. So if you hear it within like this general area, I would say check this and the flywheel. But I didn't hear anything right here at all. Like when I put my ear right here, I didn't hear anything. But the minute I got right here, I heard everything. So what happened was that, you see how it's loose? It'll just start shaking like this. Right now, it's not gonna make the proper noise, but it sounds something similar to this, but it's more quicker. So like that. So I didn't realize that that's what it was. So I came right here and I heard it like within like this general area right here. Within this general area right here. So I was thinking, maybe it's the exhaust. So, typically, I'll just, people would typically just check the catalytic converter, yada, yada, yada. Came out to be this stupid little plate right here. And I thought maybe, my oil pan's leaking though, but I don't really care about that. But I was thinking, maybe my engine blew, but that wouldn't make sense because it started up perfectly fine. And it ran perfectly fine. So I was thinking, maybe some bolt or something somehow got inside of here. Which wouldn't even make sense because there's no way a bolt would like not fuck up your engine first before it got into the oil pan. If that makes any sense. I'm not a mechanic, so don't take my advice all the way, but investigate. All I'm saying is just investigate this fucking cover right here, man. I really thought my car was gone. I missed a day of work for this shit. For a fucking cover, man. So, if anybody else hearing like a weird rattling, oh fuck, I can't speak. Rattling noise. Let's say if you hear it at like 3,000 RPMs, and I heard mine's at 3,000 and 4,000, or even if you heard it air before, it's like a weird rattling noise, but it's not constant. Like it just comes and then goes. So like when I went to above 3,000, like halfway above 3,000 RPMs, it'll go away. Or like even like to like 3,200, it'll go away. And when I hit around like 4,000 RPMs, that's when it'll come back. And then when I went above it, it goes away. And anything below 3,000 RPMs, I didn't hear anything. So I would say check this plate. This is most likely the culprit. It won't be anything within your oil pan. Do not drop your oil pan. If you plan on dropping your oil pan, I advise you not to do it because your car is going to be down at least for 24 hours. And then you have to find a way to buy this gasket back. So I almost made that mistake, but it turned out not to be this. And it saved me probably like $20 and a bunch of time. Oh, another thing I thought it was, let me show you guys real quick. I was thinking maybe it was in the oil pan. I was thinking maybe it was, this plate right here. Still like plate right here. I thought maybe like, you know, the spot welds or whatever they put over here to keep it in got loose, and that's what was making a noise. But it turned out for me, it wasn't that. Luckily, I didn't have to drop my oil pan. So something so simple could have made me took apart like everything. I was reading on online forums, and they were saying like, everyone was literally saying either transmission flywheel, catalytic converter, they were saying torque, something about like the torque bolts, or like check up here, even though you hear it down there. I was just like, none of that made sense for me. I even read stuff about like coming from Jeeps, a bunch of different cars, not just only my car. A lot of people was having that problem. I think I potentially could have found a solution for other people. So if you see this video, check your transmission flywheel cover. Just do that before you check anything else. Before you decide to drop the oil pan, before you decide to do anything else. Because that right there, if I would have dropped the oil pan, my car would have been down at least for a good, I would say a couple of days before it even be up and running again. And now I have to go take this shit off and put back my other one. So luckily I only had to do just that, just basically that, that's it. But yeah, if you have that issue, check your catalytic converter. If that's not it, but if you hear it within that same area that I showed you guys, this is only for 2300 Civics. I don't know about other cars, but if you know, if your car has a similar kind of like, I would say similar diagram, but if like, I don't know, if the noise coming from like a similar place where you see like the flywheel cover, you see the oil pan is coming from like somewhere near those two, I would say check the flywheel cover. That's just what I'm saying. I don't know if that's correct, but I know for a 2003 Honda Civic, that's what my issue was. It was the flywheel cover. I did read it on a forum that someone did say check the flywheel cover. I should actually technically go back on there and put a bolt, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't really care about that noise. It's not gonna bother me. Now it's not gonna bother me, but yeah, so check the flywheel cover. I heard people say motor mounts, like pretty much everything you could think of, someone else said it was. And it came out to just be something so simple as it just being a damn flywheel cover. It was missing a couple bolts, or for you, it might be your bolts are loose or something. Because there's plenty of times where I came over here to like, you know, on the top, I seen loose bolts. Some of these bolts were loose. And that was happening because of the vibration. Probably I didn't tighten it down all the way, but I'm pretty sure I tightened all of them down. But yeah, I even thought it was the power steering pump at one point, because the way the noise was coming, kind of, from where the noise was coming from, it kind of sounded like it was coming from like right here on this side. So like I was fucking scared, man. I thought it was my damn timing belt, man. Fuck. I was like, my car is not going nowhere. I don't care what happens, it's staying right here until I figure this shit out. And I figured it out, man. So this is me rambling, but the first half is good information for you guys. So anybody who has a 2003 Honda Civic, I'll tell you, go ahead, check that, man, and go for any other car. Just check the couple of spots I said, because I did research for like a good 2 or 3 hours trying to figure this shit out. So go ahead and just, yeah, man, like I said, catalytic converter, flywheel cover. If not, you still hear the noise, try to check both of those two. You change them or whatever. Another thing I did hear was that people were saying that when these go bad, you're gonna hear a bunch of stuff rattling inside of it. Someone told me to, like, they didn't tell me to do it, but like physically, but he said to like take it out and hit it with a hammer, and then you could possibly hear like the rattling noise. I didn't hear anything, so look, it's good. So this is a good catalytic converter. Well, catalytic converter with the manifold. This is good, so yeah. So yeah, lucky me. All right, guys, you guys have a good one.